Hey guys. Sorry I'm late. This is for the period 4 and period 2 classes. Period 2 and period 7 classes. Sorry about that. This is the worksheet that I actually gave you guys before. I think I had you guys work on 5 and 6. I had you guys work on 5 and 6. So let me get started with 5. See what I could do right now. Okay. Alright, so let's look at question 5. So again, we need a lowest common denominator for all these. So it's 1 over k squared equals 1 over 3k squared plus k plus 5 over 3k squared. Right? That's going to be 3k squared. The main point I've been trying to emphasize over the past few months when we were in school and also now has been the fact that you want to eliminate fractions whenever you're given an expression like this. The goal is to eliminate the fractions. The only way to do that is to get rid of the denominators. So you need terms that can cancel out the denominator. So alright, so now let's do this. So I'm going to cancel out the k squared on this side right here. Then I'll be left with 3 on my left hand side. Equals 1 plus k plus 5. So then I'm going to be left with k plus 6 equals 3 minus 6 minus 6 and k equals negative 3. Final answer. Any questions on this one? Let me know. Any questions on this one? Any questions? Let me know. If not, then I'm going to go on to question 6. Here, the LCD, what do you think the LCD for this one's going to be for question 6? You have x minus 5 over x squared plus 1 over x equals 6 over x. Anybody? Remember, it's a term that all 3 of the denominators have to go into. So in this case, it's going to be x squared. Oh, so it's going to be x squared. Thanks for the participation, guys. It's going to be x squared, right? So multiply everything by x squared, because both x and x squared can go into x squared, right? Right, so then, again, we want to eliminate the denominator. So I can cross out my x squared right here, and cross out my x over here. So that's going to be x minus 5 plus what? It's still one x left plus x equals 6. Everyone understand how I got that? Everybody? Everybody clear on how I got that so far? We're going to have 2x minus 5 equaling 6. So if we have 2x minus 5 equaling 6 plus 5 plus 5, we get 2x equals 11 divided by 2 divided by 2. X equals 11 over 2. Done. Oh, wait. Wait, that's not entirely correct. That's not entirely correct, guys. Yeah. Sorry, this is the x squared that I'm multiplying by, which is correct still. But when I eliminate, I'm going to be left with 6x over here. 6x over here. So it's going to be, I'm going to move my 6x over to the other side. I'm going to have 2x minus 6x equals 5. That's going to give me negative 4x equals 5. Divided by negative 4 divided by negative 4. So x is actually going to be equal to 5 over 4 negative. Everyone see that? Any questions on that? Any questions on this, guys? Any questions? Any questions at all? All right, so let me go on to the next question, question 7. Question 7 says 6 over k minus 1 over k squared plus 6k equals 1 over k. Wow, this one's going to be a hard one. In this case, we're going to need a term that can go into all of these. So in this case, it's still going to be k squared plus 6k. Right? You guys see that? See how that's done? Wait. Well, what's your question, Patricia? What was your question on? Let me know. Maybe this next problem will clear it up for you. So it's going to be k squared plus 6k. And k squared plus 6k. Alright? Let me break up the k squared plus 6k. Then you can see how k can actually go into it. Right? That may make things a little bit clearer for you guys. Alright, let me show you. Keep in mind that the k squared plus 6k is a term that's going to be multiplying both the denominator, or eliminating the denominator k squared plus 6k, as well as going to be eliminating the k. So k squared plus 6k actually equals, with the distributive property, k plus 6. So now if I wrote it like that, it may make things a little bit easier for you guys. So let's see. So I'm going to multiply that term by what I have in the middle. Let me switch back to red. 6 over k minus 1 over k squared plus 6k. Alright, so then right here, you see that those two things cancel out. I'm left with 6k plus 36. Alright. On the other side, I can just cross everything out and to be left with 1 minus 1. Alright, everyone see that? Everyone see that? And on the other side, what I'm going to be left with is just going to be, if I'm using the same k times k plus 6, Alright, so this is just going to be, if I eliminate k from that, I'm just going to be left with k plus 6 over here. Okay. Let me see this right here. Just get rid of everything over here. It's gonna be, so my equation is gonna be 6k plus 36 minus 1 is equal to k plus 6. Let me know again, guys, if you're confused so far. All right. Let me know. Let me know if you're confused. Then you get 6k plus 35 equaling k plus 6 minus k on both sides minus k on both sides. I'm going to be left with 5k. Right? I'm going to erase the stop part right here. Left with 5k plus 35 equals 6. Now that's what I have. This. K plus 6. Yep, that's right. That's right. All right, and divide 6? No, I didn't divide 6. No. Which one? I multiplied the numerator because remember what my goal was, Patricia. My goal was to get rid of the k in the on both sides of the equation. Get rid of whatever denominator I have on both sides of the equation. So if you're talking about the right-hand side, I used the same expression, which was k. Remember, k plus 6. And I was able to eliminate the k, just leaving with k plus 6. Then I minus k on both sides, and I got 5k plus 35 equals 6. Then I'm going to minus 35 on both sides, right? Minus 35. I'm left with 5k equaling negative 29. And then divided by 5 divided by 5, k is equal to negative 29 over, negative 29 over 5. That clear? Right, it's 29, right? 6 minus 35 is 29 over 5. That more clear? Anything? Let me do one more. Let me do question 8. Right, then I'll save 9 and 10 for you guys to do next week. I'm not sure if I gave you this entire sheet to do or I just gave you several problems of doing this. It was like up to 1 to 7. I think, what was it? It was, yeah, okay. I think I gave you guys up to 1 through 7, right? To do on this sheet. I'm not sure if they would put this on the regions, so let me actually stop here. I want to give you guys the easiest ones that they would actually put on the regions exam. I'm not sure if they would put that one on the regions exam because this sheet wasn't a JMAP. I don't want to spend forever on rational expressions. I actually do want to start introducing you to cosine, sine, and triangles, which I think I'll assign a project or assign a small little quiz for you guys to look at on study.com. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know right now because I do want to get ready for my other class. Yeah, 8 looks really difficult, Patricia. Yeah, I understand that. I don't think you'll see that on the Regents exam, but you know we can always do that at the end when we're doing review for hopefully for like Regents exam if they do have them. Just let me know if you have any questions on this stuff so far. Any other questions, guys, on this? Because I think this was a sheet. I also did assign it to you, I believe, on the Google Classroom, and also believe I assigned you similar problems like this on study.com. It's slow and steady, guys, but check the Google Classroom grade. You know, that grade I'll probably transfer over to schedule maybe at the end, because it's actually rather easy for me to grade stuff on Google Classroom. I didn't realize how easy it was. And also check the study.com for the assignments, all right? Because again, I can only give you what your middle attempt is. So in other words, if you try it 3 times, if you try it 1 time you get a 40, you try it and you mess up. Second time you get a 60, and the third time you get like 100. You know, I'm gonna give you an in between grade, which would probably be about an 80. I won't give you the final grade just because of multiple attempts. But let me know. Let me know if you have any more questions right now, guys. Any questions, guys? Let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna get ready for the other class. Okay. All right. So then, guys, I will see you again on Monday, and keep checking Google Classroom as well as study.com. All right. I'm gonna end this live stream now.